your iPhone can remind you of important things to do so you never forget what you have planned. This is all possible thanks to the built-in Reminders app. Watch this video to the end and I will share a little life hack on how to make these reminders even more effective. So firstly, find and open this default Reminders app and click button New Reminder on the bottom of the screen. Now give it a name. For example, Spanish lesson. Great. Here you can also add additional notes. Then you can click on the details and set date first. Let's set it to the Friday, tomorrow. Then I'm going to enable time and set it to 11 a.m. You can add early reminder, pick a time here or set your custom one. For example, 5 minutes before I will get an additional reminder. And also you can set a repeat. For example, for birthdays, you can choose this option yearly, or for any other occasion, you can select different type of repeat. Here set a repeat and or just choose repeat forever. Then I'm just gonna click on tags. Here you can add some new tags to be able to easily find this reminder if you have a lot of them. So I'm gonna just enter lesson and then click done. If it is associated with location, then you can enable it as well. And here enter the right address. You can also enable this feature when messaging, but most importantly, you can enable flag to be able to highlight this one as an important reminder, and also set priority, low, medium, or high. Additionally, if you want to, you can add image and also paste here a link to the website. Now it looks fine to me, so to add it to the reminders, just click add button on the top, and now it is set in your reminders list. When you've finished this task, you can always click here and it will disappear from this list. To edit your reminder, just tap on it once and you can edit it as you wish. Also, you can tap on the info icon and manually edit everything we just set. Now to delete with another way, you can swipe it left and choose to delete. Or you can swipe it left, unflag, and check its details. And now as a bonus, you can swipe left and check those categories such as today, scheduled, flagged, and additionally you can create your personal list here so you will not lose your reminder. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.